is my son Bakdon's first birthday party. After birthday party, everybody get together and everybody watch Dogun what he will pick up his first present. So, shall we start? Okay, go.
동훈아 뭐 씹을래?
아, 그거
공집이야?
What do you want? You wanna? This
자꾸 들어.
bird? You wanna? Second prize?
한 개만 더 집어볼까?
우리 현이도 또 뽑을까요? 뭐
집어볼래?
뽑을까요?
뭐 갖고
뭐
싶어?
뽑을까요?
우와.
He wanna be a doctor. 돈이 있어야 될 거예요. 자, 아빠 한번 진찰해 볼까요? 아빠 한번 진찰해 볼까요? 아빠 한번 진찰해 볼까? 아빠 한번 진찰해 볼까요? 할아버지.
아빠 건강.
와.
We have question.
Yes, what is it?
What is this for?
So if the baby picks a ball, this means that he's gonna be a soccer player. So, and if he picks this book and pencil, he'll be really smart and really a good student. And if he picks this silk thread, which means that the thread is very long, so he's gonna live very, very long. And if he picks the money, then he'll be really rich. And if he picks this, he'll be a judge. And this khaki means he's gonna be a really good businessman in the future. And this stethoscope means he's gonna be a doctor.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
자, 이제 see? 할아버지가 뭔가 주실 거예요. 자, 할아버지 덕담해 주세요.
동훈아, 이렇게 와봐라. 아이고, 동훈이 건강하게 자라서 의사가 되라. 뽑기만 그려야 돼. 그래, 축하한다.
Thank you very much for coming here.
Thank you very much. 감사합니다. Hello everyone. Hi. Okay, and today we will make our Korean traditional and the royal family big dishes, bulgogi and japchae. And at first I will introduce and the Lotte Hotel and the cuisine restaurant chef Mr. Song Hong. Would you please introduce yourself? Okay?
일단 오늘은 저희가 이제 준비한 게 불고기랑 잡채. 그러니까 외국 사람들이 워낙 좋아하는 음식이기 때문에 일반적인 음식이라서 제가 일단은 준비했습니다. 그리고 먼저 재료를 설명하면 불고기에는 소고기,
Beef.
소고기,
This is beef for bulgogi.
그리고 야채들이 들어갔는데 기본적으로 그러니까 우리나라에서 어디든 일반적인 음식을 야채를 당근, 버섯, 양파, 파 그리고 마늘이 기본적으로 들어갑니다.
Here are several kinds of the vegetable for the bulgogi. This is mushroom and this is carrot and onion, green onion or Korean leek and this is minced garlic.
그리고 소스로는 기본적으로 간장, 설탕, 물
Okay, the sauce, soy sauce and water and
정종.
okay, Korean sake
오케이.
and
And
sesame oil or
Okay.
bulgogi is a Korean the royal family traditional the ceremony and one kind of the big dishes. But actually at that time, the Korean normal people they didn't have a chance to have this kind of beef meat. But what happened next? And the bulgogi, they spread out to the normal people through the royal family and the noble and the people family. After that, some people come and help their big ceremony and spread out. Right? Okay? 당면, what is made with?
요거는 무마 전분으로.
자,
So this is called 당면, which is stretched noodle, and it's made of kumara powder. So this is the main ingredient for japchae,
with sweet potato.
and sweet potato as well.
And Western people say sometimes the crystal noodle. Crystal noodle. Could you introduce the ingredient for japchae?
So they are the main ingredients for japchae. This is mushroom and spring onion. And this is mogi 버섯. Because
Bulgogi mushroom
mogi mushroom.
is from the tree.
Yes, from the tree. Because it looks like a ear. So ear is 기 in Korean. That's why it's called 기 버섯.
Why did you come over and have us?
And this is the beef and paprika, carrot, and onion. So they are all main ingredients for japchae.
대한민국을 잡는다고 하면 그냥
He just a really good description. Like he said, Korea is on the right.
Okay, it's time for tasting.
So thanks to this perfect chef, we got some really nice food on the table. So we cannot wait to taste.